In the annals of history, the name Salahuddin Ayubi, also known as Saladin, stands as a beacon of valor, wisdom, and resilience. His life, steeped in the sands of the Holy Land, unfolded as a saga of hardship, leadership, and unwavering faith. Born into a Kurdish family in Tikrit, Iraq, in 1137, Salahuddin grew up in an era of political turmoil. The region was a mosaic of conflicting powers, with the Crusaders in the west, the Fatimids in Egypt, and the Seljuks in the east. Little did the young Salahuddin know that his destiny would intertwine with the fate of Jerusalem. Salahuddin's early years were marked by a thirst for knowledge and a deep connection to his faith. His uncle, Shirkuh, a prominent military commander, recognized the potential within the young Salahuddin and took him under his wing. The tumultuous political landscape of the time would soon shape his character and mold him into a formidable leader. As a young soldier, Salahuddin joined the service of the Muslim ruler, the vizier to the Caliph of Egypt. His military prowess quickly gained recognition, and he rose through the ranks. However, political intrigue and shifting alliances marked this period, leading to Salahuddin's exile to Syria. It was in Syria that Salahuddin honed his leadership skills. Despite the political turbulence, he became the vizier of the Egyptian ruler, effectively uniting the Sunni Muslims against the Shia Fatimids. His strategic acumen and diplomatic finesse laid the groundwork for future successes. The turning point in Salahuddin's life came with the call of duty to liberate Jerusalem from the Crusaders. In 1187, after a series of strategic victories, Salahuddin's forces decisively defeated the Crusaders at the Battle of Hattin. The fall of Jerusalem soon followed, marking the end of nearly a century of Crusader rule. Salahuddin's triumph, however, was not marred by vengeance or brutality. His chivalry and respect for human life stood in stark contrast to the atrocities committed during the Crusaders' occupation. Salahuddin's compassion extended even to his adversaries, earning him admiration even from his foes. The story of Salahuddin Ayubi's life is one of resilience against adversity, strategic brilliance in the face of challenges, and a commitment to justice. His legacy goes beyond the battlefield. It is a testament to the principles of mercy, compassion, and unity. In the final chapters of Salahuddin's life, his dream of a united Muslim front against external threats remained unfulfilled. Yet his legacy endured, influencing generations to come. Salahuddin Ayubi's life story is a timeless epic of triumph over hardship, etching his name as a symbol of honor and heroism in the pages of history.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है और आप और भी ऐसी कहानियाँ सुनना चाहते हैं तो अभी हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।